Alright, hey everybody, PC Addict 365 here with you, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a behind the scenes look at how I made the video thumbnail for the Tomb Raider gameplay video. Basically this thumbnail here. First I captured the image from the game itself. Uh, Basically I had the gameplay footage, and then I took that and put that in Adobe Premiere and just used the little screen capture program, and then I got this one. Um, and then I took a photo of my computer and put it back here and blended them together and put the name over here. But I'll show you guys how I actually did that now. So first off, I'll minimize this one here. Okay, now we're in Adobe Photoshop CS6, and then we got to bring in our pictures. So here's my Tomb Raider picture. Got that centered, and I'll place it. Okay, and now we'll want to bring in my other picture too. Okay. Now here's the other picture I'm going to use right here of the computer. Go ahead and place that. Actually, I want to move that over. Wonder if I can move this up so I can see it. It won't let me right now. Okay, well I'm just gonna guess by looking at it that it's got to be right in here somewhere. Yeah, it should be about right. If you look when I move it, right over here, this little icon moves also, so it's not like I'm completely blind. So if I move it way over to this side, then see the little icon changes. So that's how you can kind of tell where you're placing it also. So I'll just move it over. Probably right about there. Okay, and then I'll place that. Yes, I want to place it. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to edit this photo here, and I want to get rid of this blob from the flash of my digital camera. So I'm going to go to the clone tool. And select that. Hopefully it's big enough. Okay, I hold down the, to use the clone tool there, I just hold down the alternate key and then right click on the surface I want to copy. So then I click there and then I let go, and then I go down here, and as I move the brush up or down, it copies it. So I'm going to change the hardness here, and then we'll go back over here. It's not working so well, so I'll go like this, get a wider one, and I'll actually make it a little bit wider, which is almost too wide. So we don't want to cover up and get those white lines copying. So that's about perfect right there. Okay, so go down here, alternate click. Yeah, there we go. Whatever. Okay, so that's about good enough. I know it doesn't look very good. I'm not real great at this stuff myself, but anyway. So we got that straightened out. Now we want to adjust brightness and contrast. So we come over here, click brightness contrast. I want to darken this up a little bit. So I'll just slide this over a little. And slide this contrast up a little bit. See, we don't want to go too dark and we don't want to be too light. So I'm thinking right in there somewhere. Then contrast again, you can go too light or really dark. Well, keep it right in there somewhere, so that's about right. Okay, so now we want to go back to our original photo. So we'll click over here. Actually, we'll click on the photo we were working on and drag that back underneath this photo. That way when we're on this one and we start erasing here, then basically everything will start showing through. So now we'll click eraser tool. And we can go with let's go with a different one here. We'll go with this one. And then we'll click over here and then we'll start erasing. Then as you can see, as I erase, the background shows up through it. So then we want to just kind of guess where we're at here. Want to see the internals of the computer, a little bit of the top. Then we want to see the tough inside sign, because we know Laura Croft is dealing with a tough time. She's obviously pretty tough inside as a person to be able to get through everything. Alright, so then I'll just come over here by her a little bit and go like this. I don't want to get too close and start messing up her hair too much, so I'm just kind of go up by the top by the buttons there. Then I'm actually going to shrink down and go over this a few times. Okay, now I got to make this smaller so I can get a little more detail here. I'll go over here, fix some of this. Okay, there we go. And now we got to add the text, right? So, basically I got my color for the text right here. Click on text. I got this font here chose. then just regular 72 point sharp. Yeah. Okay, it's an outline font, so you guys will see what it looks like. And then I just come over here. I type in whatever I want to type. Actually, I gotta start over further, so I will delete that. And go back to text. I'll start right here. I'll shrink that down a little bit. Click. Then I can move it around to where I want it. And there we go. That is how you do the basically do the thumbnails for videos and stuff for YouTube. So that's how I do it anyway. It's pretty easy. Just blending two images together and adding your username to it. So alright, hope you guys liked the tutorial. Check out my other videos. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And PC Addict 365. We'll see you guys later.